Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to replace the rinse aid cap for the dispenser on your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll begin by opening the door up completely. If the old rinse aid cap is still in place, you'll need to remove that. Simply turn it about an 1/8 of a turn counterclockwise. Now as we install the new rinse aid cap, make sure that we line up those slots with the tabs on the actual dispenser. And be sure to turn it clockwise until it locks in place. Now, as well as being important that you use rinse aid in your dispenser, it's also very important that you make sure that cap is tightened securely so that it doesn't fall off and end up against the heating element where it can become damaged. Once we've replaced it, we simply need to close up the door and your repair is complete.